What's going on today, everybody? Today in this video we will be doing a knock sensor replacement on the 2002 Yukon Denali. It should be the same on all, Silverado, Sierra, Tahoes and all that. I guess all Gen 3 LS, it should be the same, but we're about to change the knock sensor, and this is the stuff we're gonna need right here. Okay, this is all the stuff that we got. We got 2 knock sensors. It's throwing a code for one, but it'll probably eventually throw the code for the other one because I'm pretty sure they're the original knock sensor. But these are the knock sensors right here, and I think the size on that screw is a 22 or 21, but we'll check when we get to it. But also, I will be, along with the knock sensors, I will be replacing the wiring harness that goes to the knock sensor. So when you put it in, it connects in like that, and it snaps in. So most of the time these connections get kind of beat up and stuff, just years and years of, just wear and tear. But let me show you what all we need to remove. Okay, we just took the intake off, and this is how they were. The knock sensors, they were plugged in. The caps were down on it like that. So this back one off, look at this back one. Look at the back one, compare it to the front one. That's the front one. This is the back one. Rusted out, son. Rusted out, so yeah, rusted out. So it's not a 21, it's a 22. So we need to pull these knock sensors out. Then the other ones, we're gonna put them in, and then we're gonna lay a bead around the seal, and then we should be good to go. Look at the difference, man. Oh my God, I see why I was throwing a code. I would throw a code too. Dang. This front one looks okay. Just broken off, but the front one looks okay. I can't tell if this back one has been replaced or not. Maybe not, but good God almighty, it's disgusting. Look at that. Just stuck my hand in it. Bone dry up front. So I'm gonna clean it out real good. Get a rag and clean it out really, really good back here and up here, and see how everything's gonna do. But yeah, those are the knock sensors, and this is the camshaft position sensor that we wired up. So I don't know what's going on with it. Let's see. All right. I cleaned the hole up a little bit. So got all the water out. There was water just standing still. So got that cleaned out. Then this one is clean, so I'm going to go ahead and throw the new knock sensors in it.